In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage backups using Hostinger's hPanel. Whether you're safeguarding your website's current state or restoring it to a previous version, mastering backups is key to ensuring the smooth running of your site. Follow along, and by the end of this guide, you'll feel confident navigating these tasks. First, let's start by logging into your Hostinger hPanel. Upon accessing the login page, you'll need to enter your credentials. Take a moment now to consider using a password manager if you haven't already. It's a secure way to ensure you're using strong passwords without the headache of remembering them. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the hPanel dashboard where all the magic happens. Next, direct your attention to the menu and locate the Backups section. This is your central hub for managing and overseeing all your website's backup needs. Regular backups are vital and act as a safety net. It's like having an insurance policy for your site, always there to help recover in case something unforeseen happens. Now let's proceed to create a backup. Click on Create Backup to preserve the current state of your site. This is a straightforward process, but it's an important step in maintaining your website's security and integrity. Here's a quick tip. Make it a habit to create backups anytime you're about to make significant changes to your website. This way, you'll always have a version to return to in case the changes don't go as planned. In the situation where you need to restore your site to a previous state, perhaps after an update didn't go smoothly or there was a technical glitch, the process is equally simple. All you need to do is select the desired backup from the list displayed. These backups are usually dated, making it easier for you to choose the most recent or a particular version you wish to restore. Once you've selected a backup, go ahead and click on Restore. After initiating a restore, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. It's crucial because restoration will overwrite the current site data. Take a moment here to ensure you've selected the correct backup version. Once you've confirmed, the restoration process will commence. It's a good time to stretch your legs or grab a coffee while waiting for the completion, as the time taken can vary based on the size and complexity of your site. And there you have it. By following these steps, you gain the ability to safeguard your website's data and recover from setbacks swiftly. Regularly checking and managing backups should become a part of your routine, ensuring your site runs smoothly no matter what obstacles come your way. Thank you for joining me, and remember to keep your digital assets safe.